Wonder if this is going right now. I think it is. I just looked out the window and I saw a whale right here. So I grabbed the camera, come down to my pad because I didn't have to take the picture through the glass. Only got one bar left in my battery, so I hope it stays on long enough. But it's, oh boy, them things, they can go down for 10 or 12 minutes. Anyway, there's a humpback whale right here somewhere, right in my bite here. And when I last saw him, he was about right there in the middle of the screen. Oh. An eagle was sitting in the tree above us, and I didn't even know it. A young one. Didn't have the white head. Look at that. Oh, there he is. He's eating. Just right there, by golly. Oops, I'm trying to zoom in. That's what he's doing. He's in here feeding on the, whatever there is. Look. Oops, there it is. Gotta zoom out because it's... For some reason, you know, the focus, probably because... Let's go to make that. Oh, he's down the beach down there. Now he's not in front of our house no more. That's the first time I've ever seen one feeding. Like, okay, we're going to get it on again. But I hope it focused